In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Binance using mobile money. Once you're on your home screen, at the top left, click on the menu icon. So we're going to be making use of P2P. You can just click on P2P. If you don't find it here, you can click on more services and search for it. So when this loads up, at the top right corner, you're going to select the currency you're buying with. So for our case, we're going to select ZAF because we're trying to buy with mobile money. So when you do that, next we're going to select the crypto we are trying to buy. Click right here and we're going to select USDT. So when you do that, a list of providers are going to appear. You're going to see their various rates and also you can see the various payment methods that they accept. So you can just scroll down to find a rate that is okay by you and to find a provider that accepts the payment method mobile money. Also, when looking for a provider to buy from, always make sure you find someone that is verified by Binance in order to stay on the safe side. So when you do that, just click on buy. When you do that, you can then enter the amount you're trying to buy, either by ZAF or by USDT. So let's just enter 10,000. When you do that, you can also see the advertiser's requirements right here for transaction details. So if you want a faster transaction, you can just dial the amount and the money is going to be withdrawn directly from your account. So when you do that, just click on place order and then you're going to be able to buy your USDT using mobile money.